Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this BOSCH Readyy'y Serie 2 20V Max, the perfect helper for the quick cleaning in between. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Some manuals. We have the charger with a cable length 1.5 meters. Because you need to charge this vacuum. On a lovely black color. I think it is available and on a white color. In the past I have made a video for the 16 volts vacuum. This is 20 volts. Same product, I think only it changed the volts. And the color. The other one was a white color. The handle, we need to install it here. I need one screwdriver. Remove the screw. Install this nut. Perfect, that was all. It's not foldable. Install it once and you're good to go. At the handle here we have the switch and it is 0, first and second speed. Nice. The release button for the small cleaner that goes here, press and it locks. So easy to install. Press to unlock. Silicone rubber here, ventilation, filters in here. Let's see the small vacuum. Press this button to release the container. With this red, just pull. Nice. We have the filter to protect the motor. The foam filter and the base for the foam filter. Very soft plastic, so install that here. I like it. It's not for wet cleaning, only for dry cleaning. Plastic mesh in here. And of course you can wash it under the water, no worries. Fits perfect. The container, the dust container has a capacity of 400 ml and it is easy to remove and empty. And it locks so easy. Inside it has a lithium-ion battery with a charging time 4 to 5 hours. The maximum running time it is 44 minutes and the all weight it is 2.5 kilogram. 2-in-1, a handheld and a hand stick in one appliance. Just love it. Ventilation, the contact metal plates are coming in contact here and you can charge this vacuum. Because the charging port, it is here. So plug in the charger and you are good to go. There is no base, so that is all the accessories. And of course, we have the floor nozzle with electric brush. Adjustable up and down. Here it locks, so it can stand just like that. I will show you. Spiral hose. 2 small wheels at the front, another 2 large at the back. soft elements here. It's not transparent, no LEDs on the front. And if you want to remove the brush roller, just press these two. Not the best quality. I need to have your attention here. Be careful not to break this plastic. Release it and you can clean it. And to install again, that's very easy. Press and it locks. And of course that goes here at the front, locks. To unlock, press this button and release. And here of course we have an on-off switch. White indicator, that means it's working. Before the first use, fully charge the vacuum. The outlet for the air here at the back. And of course you can control it from this switch. First and second. And you can use it with one hand definitely. So I think it's about time to plug it in, fully charge it, and then I will run the test. The white LED flashes slowly, that means it's charging. The battery is fully charged when the white LED remains on continuously for 2 minutes. No dust, everything secure at the container. I like it. Thumbs up. I love how easily you can switch between stick and handheld modes, and the battery life is ideal for small to medium-sized cleaning jobs. BOSCH has also kept the design simple, sturdy and user-friendly. If you need a vacuum cleaner that's always ready, look no further. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to convert instantly from a full-size stick vacuum cleaner to a handheld model, making quick cleanups effortless. It's lightweight and can stand upright on its own, and the 20 volts max battery provides ample power for daily tasks. This powerful, flexible solution is ideal for apartments and quick messes around the house. The easy-to-empty dust container and washable filter make maintenance simple and cost-effective. We found that the battery life was sufficient to get through several rooms, and the high-efficiency motor provided strong suction for picking up grams and get hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. This BOSCH model is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a quick, accessible grab-and-go vacuum. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next home appliance review or cordless vacuum comparison. Thanks so much for watching, stay clean and stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.